Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to another interesting video of FxYogi. In today's video, let's learn how to use Bitcoin. Back in 2013, a Bitcoin enthusiast named Laszlo Hanyecz created a message board post offering 10,000 BTC, which then was worth around $25 to anyone who would deliver 2 pizzas to his Jacksonville, Florida home. As the legend goes, those 2 pizzas, which another Bitcoin early adopter bought from a local Papa John's, marked the first successful purchase of non-virtual goods using Bitcoin. Thankfully, it's a lot easier to use Bitcoin these days. It's simple. Transactions using BTC aren't that different from those using a credit or debit card. But instead of being asked to enter card info, you will simply be entering the payment amount and the vendor's public key, similar to an email address, via a wallet app. When transacting in person using smartphones or tablets, often a QR code will pop up to simplify the process. When you can scan the code, your wallet app will automatically enter the pertinent information. It's private. One of the benefits of paying with Bitcoin is that doing so limits the amount of personal information you need to provide. The only time you need to share your name and address is if you are purchasing physical goods that need to be shipped. It's flexible. As to what you should do with your Bitcoin, that depends completely on your personal interests. Here are some ideas. You can sell it for cash using an exchange or a Bitcoin ATM. You can spend it online or in brick-and-mortar retailers as you would any other currency by using a Bitcoin debit card. You can hold on to some or all of it as part of your investment and saving strategy. You might choose that is close to your heart. Check out. And if you have a serious budget and unfulfilled astronaut dreams, Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic happily accepts BTC in exchange for the opportunity to blast off on one of its forthcoming space tourism missions. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.